old F-150 and like a QX60, 50, something like that. Some Q SUV there. But, you know, I can't find my GoPro. It's somewhere in my house, somewhere in my car, somewhere. I don't know. But I misplaced it, so, you know, can't really do a lot of like walking around, showing you me unloading and loading and all this. You know, I basically just talk to you guys today. I know I haven't been posting in a bit. If you guys want to see any videos, let me know down below or shoot me a DM on Instagram, because like that's whatever. I can start making some more different type of videos. I don't have this shit for the TL yet. I gotta put that type of steering wheel on. That'll be a video. I don't know what. I've been really busy with work. I work like 7 days a week, and I work like almost every day at night. So it's like when I come home, I just sleep for like time I gotta go to work, and then I go to work. That's pretty much it. So I don't really got time to be really all over the place. Like, I want to see more touring videos. Let me know. I'll definitely make more touring videos, because I enjoy making touring videos. And soon enough, I'll be working on the day, so you guys will see that as well. The TL has not moved. I haven't put the side skirts on. I haven't done nothing to it. I haven't even fixed the tire that somebody popped. But it's whatever. A little by little, it's gonna happen. Right now, that's not my focus. It's not really my worry. Just working. If you guys do want to see any videos, like I said, comment down below and let me know. But on that note, you know, let's talk about something else now. Like, guys, I want to also say and put this in here, you know, because it's ridiculous. COVID is going up. Please wear your mask. I'm not wearing my mask because I'm in my truck, and nobody uses my truck besides me. And stay away from people, yo. Like, if you can, stay away from people. Like, I get the holidays coming up and everything, but yo, it's ridiculous right now how COVID just spiked like crazy. And we don't need everything to get shut down again, yo. For the first time in a long time, yo, I went to Buffalo Wild Wings, and I sat inside instead of ordering it and eating it in my car or taking it home and eating it there. And it was so fucking good, and it was so fucking nice. Like, I missed going out to eat with my girlfriend and my daughter. Like, so please mask up, please wash your hands, and carry a lot of hand sanitizer with you. If not, you're gonna end up getting it. And I'm gonna tell you from experience, I did end up getting COVID. It's not fun at all. It is the worst. Like, oh my god. One minute I'm cold, the next minute I'm hot. Fucking don't want to get up, super tired, feel like shit. Good thing is that I didn't lose my sense of taste or my sense of smell, so I was good there in that department. Food still tastes good. I just didn't want to eat it. I lost my appetite. That's the one thing. But I still forced myself to eat though. I'm a fat ass, so you know I had to eat. So one thing, guys, I also want to say is also, like, I know I'm saying also a lot about this, whatever. Like, I'm loving my new job. I love the touring. I want to get you guys more involved into it, make more videos on it. But the thing is, I would like to know if you guys want longer videos, because if I do the touring videos, they're going to be like 20, 30 minutes long. And I don't know if you guys want to see that, or what's the case, or if I should shorten it up and make, like, out of one video, make 2 videos, or, you know, whatever the case is, because I don't really know. Because sometimes you guys like longer videos, but I see, like, the best I really like is like 10, 15 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes videos. Like, you guys really enjoy those. And you'll be able to see all the cool cars or all the crappy cars that I have. And if you're from New York and you need a tow, hit me up on the DMs. I can hook you up. You feel me? You don't like my prices? Well, suck a dick. Honestly. And we'll get it done. You feel me? If I don't go do it, I have my boy go do it, or my boss will go do it. But there'll be somebody. So hit me up in the DMs whenever. You feel me? On the weekends especially, I can always go do tows, because, you know, right now what I'm doing is my Copart runs. And I'm trying to always empty out the yard, because I'm the only one that does it.